my fit for the day. Gonna mix up some patterns today. We'll see how that's worked out. All right, it's get ready time. So I'm about to put on my makeup and go ahead and start this wonderful day. Good morning. It's day 3 and we are about to go have some breakfast and really enjoy all the activities that are going on today. So join me. Well, we made it to breakfast. The line wasn't very long at all. Coffee, cheers to you. Back in my room, and I am about to change and put on my bathing suit and go by the pool. All right, we are headed to the pool. Let's go check it out. Come with me. Oh, here we are. Hey, I'm gonna head to a presentation that they're having on Alaskan cruises. It's glam night. Let's go to dinner. Okay, future cruise booked. Well, look who made it. It's me. Thank you very much. Well, we're in the theater and we're about to see Young at Heart. Let's hope it's a great show. Oh, Young at Heart was amazing. It was amazing. I've got one more show to do tonight and then I'm gonna call it. Well, it is time to go. Well, good morning. It's day 3 and we are about to go have some breakfast and really enjoy all the activities that are going on today. Still a sea day, so join me. Can bring me down. Well, we made it to breakfast. The line wasn't very long at all, maybe about 10 minutes. So I'm here and I'm going to have some breakfast. I'll show you what I ordered. And then they're mixing it together. It's like a breakfast and brunch. So I think that's why the line was wrapped around outside for about 10-15 minutes. But ended up being a very short wait and we were able to come in and get seated. So coffee, cheers to you. Oh, well, breakfast was just amazing. We're gonna go and listen to some live music now. Back in my room, and I am about to change and put on my bathing suit and go by the pool. All right, fam. All right, we are headed to the pool. Let's go check it out. Come with me. I'm gonna head to a presentation that they're having on Alaskan cruises. So I'll probably stop and get me some water. Poolside was amazing. Hopefully I look kissed by the sun and it's been great so far. So let's go hear about this Alaskan cruise.
MSC in general doesn't have a price protection, only if you book on board. So when the cruise is booked on board,
Okay, this is what I'm wearing for glam night. Let's check it out. Okay, here's the look for glam night. Let me fix my hair. And then I'm gonna put on my shoes. How far back I have to go? Oh, glam night, Sean. I don't have my shoes on, but that's the outfit. Let's go to dinner. It's glam night.
By Car C.
Yes. And something close to the elevator.
Okay. On the same deck as you are now?
Fine.
Yes. Would you like to add your tea packet?
Yes. Yes.
There you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yay! Excited?
Hey, future cruise booked. Let's go to dinner. Well. Look who made it. It's me. Oh my goodness, tonight's wait was a little longer. And I had to wait a little longer, but it is glam night and we are in the house. It's all good. Oh my goodness, we made it. I'm at a 4-top tonight, all by my lonesome. It's all fine. And maybe one day you can join me for dinner. Maybe you'll be on a solo cruise one day and see me sitting probably at a dinner seating that I wasn't assigned to. And I'm just so excited because I just booked my next cruise. Actually, not my next cruise. I just booked my Christmas time cruise. So I'm so excited. It actually is going to be the same itinerary that I'm doing right now. So it'll be from Galveston, Texas, and to actually I didn't even confirm which islands it was. I was so excited that it was leaving from Galveston, and because I had a good experience this time flying into Galveston, getting a direct transport from the Houston airport. So flying into Houston airport, getting a direct transport from Houston airport to Galveston, Texas, to the cruise ship dock, and it just went off without a hitch. So I really like that plan. So that's going to be the plan for Christmas time. So I'm really excited about that. But I'm really happy that you're here to join me for dinner on glam night. And there's going to be some fun activities after. I think I have 2 shows tonight. One at 7 and I think another one at 8. The shows are not that long, so the 7 o'clock show will end by 7:45, and I'll make it over to the 8 o'clock show, and I'll be able to bring you right along with me. So let's have fun. Thank you very much. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Absolutely perfect. Thank you very much. Well, wine has arrived, so cheers to you. We're going to have a wonderful night. Everything is perfect. I've got this perfect, wonderful view. Had the blinds closed earlier, so of course I asked them to open the blinds so I can see that wonderful view outside, and it's perfect. So let me explain the bottle of wine. So yesterday I was just talking to someone, and he suggested I buy a bottle of wine instead of buy the glass every night. it came with the charcuterie board as well. There's no way on earth, heaven or earth, that I'm gonna eat that and my dinner. So, you know, it wasn't an upcharge or anything. It just came with the bottle of wine. So, yeah, I feel kind of wasteful, but it looks really, really delicious. I may nibble on some of the cheese. I am definitely going to try the brie, so you can't beat that. Well, dinner has arrived. I have some fabulous steak, as you saw, and of course I'm going to let you get the first bite. It's medium well, but it looks like it's a little on the well side, but it's fine, totally fine. Oh my God. There you go. Oh my goodness. First bite. You get to take it. How was it? I took a big bite. It's delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It is awesome. These mashed potatoes, little broccoli on the side, and some chives. Oh. I taste like some sweet potato. And kind of sweet there. Oh, it's delicious. So we're in the theater and we're about to see Young at Heart. Let's hope it's a great show.
This is Young at Heart!
You can't hurry love, no, you just have to wait. She said love don't come easy. It's a game of give and take. You can't hurry love, no, you just have to wait.
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere.
Oh, Young at Heart was amazing. It was amazing.